Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Imdadul Haq, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class of nursery. Our today's topic is even number part 2. This is the 10th class of annual examination and this is your homework also, and homework number is 8. Dear students, in the half yearly exam you have learned the even and odd numbers. In annual term also we have taken a class on even and odd numbers. This is the second class of even numbers. Okay, now see again, how can we say a number is even or odd? Dear students, you know the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Dear students, 1 means only single item, only one item, there is no pair. So this is an odd number. So this is an odd number. But if the number is 2, then it means 1, 2. It means one pair. It means one pair. If it is a pair, then it is even. So 2 is even. 2 is even. Now go to 3. 3. To express 3, we can show here 1, 2. This is one pair. That is another one. It means that this one is without pair. If it is without pair, then the number is not even. That is odd. So 3 is odd. Now go to next number 4. Go to next number 4. Number 4, if you see 1, 2 means one pair. 3, 4 means another pair. So when we will say 4, we can express this as 2 pairs. So 4 is even number. 4 is even number. Now go to next number 5. We can see 5 in this way. 1, 2, it means one pair. 3, 4, it means one pair. And here is another 5. So 5 is without pair, as here is no pair. So we can say 5 is odd. Now go to next number 6. Next number is 6. We can say 6 in this way. 1, 2 means one pair. 3, 4 means another pair. And 5, if we consider this with another one, that will be another pair. So 3 pairs here. So we can say 6 can be expressed as pair. So we can say 6 is even. Now go to 7. If it is 7, then we can say 1, 2 means one pair. 3, 4 means 2 pair. 5, 6 means 3 pairs. And then another one. It means that 3 pairs and one is without pair. This one is without pair. So we can say 7 is without pair. So 7 is odd. Now if I say 8, so we can say 1, 2 means one pair. 3, 4 means another pair. 5, 6 another pair. 7 and 8. This 2 means another pair. So we can say 4 pairs here. So we can express 8 as a pair. So 8 is even. Again go to number 9. Next number is 9. 9 can be expressed in this way. 1 pair, 2 pair means 4 finger here, then another pair, 3 pair, 4 pairs. So now if we see this, here is 4 pairs and 1 is without pair. If it is without pair, then it is odd. So 9 is odd. 9 is odd. Now go to the next number 10. Number 10 can be expressed in this way: 1, 2, 1 pair, 3, 4, another pair. Now 5, 6, another pair, 7, 8, another pair, 9, and then 10. Means all the fingers here in pair. So we can say 10 is a pair number. So we can say 10 is even. 10 is even. Dear students, it means that if a number is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 10, then the number is even. Then the number is even. It means that if the ones place of a number, it means that if the ones place of a number is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. 10 means here ones place is 0. So if the ones place of a number is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, then the number is even number. So we have to write the even numbers from 51 to 60. Dear students, you know the number 51 to 60. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. Dear students, now see, I have said that if the ones place is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0, then the number is even. Here ones place is 1. This is not even, but here ones place is 2. So this 52 is even as ones place is 2. So we can say 52 is even. Now 53, here ones place is 3. 3 is odd. So we can say this number is not even. Now go to the next number 54. Here ones place is 4. Here is 4. So we can say 54 is even. Now go to the next number. What is the next number? Next number is 55. Here ones place is 5. Ones place is 5. 5 is odd. So this is not even. Go to the next number 56. Here in 56, 6 is even. 6 is even. If 6 is even, so 56 will be even. Go to the next number. Next number is 57. 7 is odd, so this is not even. Go to the next number 58. Here 8 in ones place. That means that it means that 8 is even. If 8 is even, so 58 will be even. Now go to the next number 59. Here ones place is 9. 9 is not even, so this is not even. Go to the next number 60. Here ones place is 0. Here ones place is 0. If ones place is 0, then the number will be even. So 60 is even. It means that 52, 54, 56, 58 and 60, these 5 numbers are even numbers from 51 to 60. Then go to the next question. Write the even numbers from 71 to 80. So write the numbers from 71 to 80. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. Dear students, now see here. Here ones place is 1 in the first number. If it is 1, then the number is not even. Then go to the next number. Here ones place is 2. 2 means if the ones place is 2, the number will be even. So you can say 72 is even. Then go to the next number 73. Ones place is 3. 3 is not even. So this number is not even. Go to the next number 74. Here 4 is in ones place, and if 4 is in ones place, the number will be even. So you can say 74 is even. Then go to the next number 75. Ones place is 5. 5 is not even. So we have to go to the next number 76. Ones place is 6 here. As 6 is even, so the number 76 will be even. Now go to the next number 77. Here ones place is 7. Ones place is 7. So 7 is not even. So 77 is not even. Go to the next number 78. Here 8 is in ones place, and if 8 is in ones place, the number will be even, as 8 is even. So you can say 78 is even. Now go to the next number. Next number is 79. Ones place is 9 here. Ones place is 9. As 9 is not even, so 79 is not even. Now go to the next number 80. Here ones place is 0. Ones place is 0. If ones place is 0, the number will be even. The number will be even. So the last number 80 is even. The last number 80 is even. So you can say the even numbers from 71 to 80 are 72, 74, 76, 78 and 80. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic, how to write the even numbers. Do these two questions as your homework. This is your homework 8. Submit your homework on next Sunday. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.